I believe this is not your first time of hearing about making money through writing, I believe. Or if it is your first time, you are welcome to this wonderful channel that talks on how to make money online through a lot of channels. Okay, in today's video, I am going to give out a lot of sites that you can write stories for. Fiction stories, non-fiction stories. Okay, you can write your stories and submit in that site and make huge amounts of money. If you don't lack patience, I would love you to stay to the end of this video, because the seventh or the eighth one or the last one might be the one that will favor you, because I have more than 10 sites that you can write story for and get paid. Okay, so I will advise you to stay to the end of this video to get the massive benefit of this video. Without wasting much of our time, I am still Okeke Chizoba, a teacher and an entrepreneur that teaches how to make money online. I have made video on top 5 ghostwriting sites that can pay you $100 to $15 monthly. Since June that I published this video did very well, and a lot of people have been thanking me for this video. So in this one that I am trying to do now, this one is a mind blowing one, and I believe that you don't want to miss this particular one. If you are not lazy, if you want to achieve success, if you want to elevate your family from poverty, or if Sapa is killing you, watch to the end of this video. The first site on my list is called freewriting.com or freevatech.com/writers benefit. From there you can go through it. I am not going to go in details, so go through it and learn how to become a writer, and you are good to go. The next on my list is Letterlogs. This Letterlogs, I believe it was introduced by Fizzo. In my previous video, I made a video on Fizzo and other sites. So Fizzo now introduced Letterlogs as their English writing platform, and also Mytopia. But this Mytopia does not work in Nigeria. Okay, just go through it, and I will advise you go through this Letterlogs, then join them. All the site that I am going to introduce to you, go to Facebook, join their platform to know how they works and the type of novel to submit. Okay, it will save you a lot. Okay, next on my list is Dreame.com, dreameglobal.com. Okay, you go through it, know how it works, then you apply for your stories. All this platform, as of today, it is still working 100%. Okay, the next site on my list is called iReader. Okay, you go through it, look for the benefit and how to get started, new story, and many more. So that's why I say you should wait till the end of this video, because I have a lot of sites that you can write stories for. Okay, the next on my list is called Novelcat. So you go through Novelcat, go through the writer's benefits, if it is something that you can do, how to apply for a contract, the money involved. If it is something that you can do, then you are good to go. As of today, all these sites are still working, so do not waste time in cashing out. The next site on my list is meganovel.com. You go through it, all these things, their benefits are okay. Just click on create and start creating your stories. Okay, a lot of them have the their threshold 5k words, 10,000 words, 12,000 words. Okay, the one you can do, you carry on with that. But all these sites, they still pay till today. Okay, the next on my list is my keys. Okay, mykeys.com. You go through it, and this mykeys.com, I think their threshold, the maximum words for you to write so that your novel can be completed is 60,000. Okay, do your research well before writing. The next on my list is called style writing. It can also be called Dreame, I think. So you go through it, know the requirements, know how to get started, create your own stories, and you are good to go. So all these things, I am doing it for us to remove poverty from our home. Okay, the last but not the least in my list is kdp.amazon.com. This is a wonderful platform that you can write your stories. If you know that you love stories, this platform, you control your earnings. You control your earnings. All the platform that I have been talking about, you don't control your earnings. But this one, you can control your earnings. You can price your book. You can write your book, then you price it. It has ebook, paperback, hardcover, and a lot more. If you want to get started with Amazon KDP, go online, look for videos on how to get started. Before then, you have to read the terms and conditions, the rules, the guidelines, so that you are going to avoid Amazon KDP wahala. So with this, I believe that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, share with friends, like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you're not going to miss any of my important videos. Okay, thank you. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye bye.